Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start a very important topic in English grammar tenses. Tense means time, and time is shown by verb. If verb is given in present form, it is present tense. If verb is given in past form, it is past tense. There are mainly two tenses in English present and past because when we talk about forms of verb, there are three forms present, past, and past participle form. There is no future form. That is why there is no future tense in English. But children, future time can be expressed by simple present, present continuous, will shall, both are modal verbs, and going to form. So these two tenses, present and past, they are subdivided into four parts simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now let us discuss in detail all the tenses one by one. First of all, let us take simple present. When we talk about simple present, the structure or syntax of the sentence is first of all we write subject, first form of the verb, and object. And remember that when we want to make its negative interrogative, we use do and does. And do is used with I, we, you, and they. And does is used with he, she, it, and any proper singular noun. Now let us start to discuss its uses and examples. Simple present tense is used to denote habitual actions. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock daily. But if I change the subject here, instead of I, if I write here he, then it will be he gets up at 6 o'clock daily. Number two, simple present tense is also used to express universal facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. Now, point number three, to express future time. For example, the match starts at 9 o'clock today. My dear children, in this sentence, simple present tense is used, but time is future. The match starts, it is simple present, at 9 o'clock today. Number 4, news headlines. For example, India wins the match by 5 wickets. Actually, in news headlines, simple present tense is used, though the action got over in the past. Now, point number 5, proverb and saying. For example, a bad workman fights with his tools. Now, use number 6. Simple present tense is also used to express scientific facts. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Next, in running commentary. For example, next ball to Virat and he hits the ball to the boundary for runs. So here children, we have used simple present only. Now point number 8, quotations. Quotation means the exact words of the speaker. For example, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Do you know this quotation was told by whom? It was told by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now, number 9. Simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence, and that is probable condition. And children, in this sentence, there are two clauses. One clause should be written in simple present and second clause should be written in simple future. For example, if he works hard, he will pass. In first clause, simple present is used if he works hard. And in the second clause, simple future is used, he will pass. Now, important thing is that we should know how to make negative and interrogative sentences by using simple present. Let us take some examples. Sentence number 1, I play cricket. So, for making it negative, we will have to write here I do not play cricket because there are two helping verbs do and does, and do is used with I. And for making negative, we always add not. For making interrogative, we bring the helping verb before the subject, and subject is here I. So the helping verb is do. So it will be do I play cricket. Let us take next example. He plays guitar. The negative will be he does not play guitar. So here children, with he we use does. For making negative we add not. He does not play guitar. And remember that when we make negative, then s or es in the first form of the verb get removed. For making interrogative, we bring the helping verb before the subject. It is does. So does he play guitar? It is interrogative. And remember that if a verb ends with ch, sh, x, o and double s, we add es in the first form of the verb when subject is third person singular in simple present tense. Third person singular means he, she, it, or any proper noun. It may be Ram, Sham, Amit, whatever it is. For example, if I say I go to school, but if third person singular is there, he goes to school. Here we have added es in the first form because go ends with o, and that is why we have added here es. He goes to school. I teach English, but she teaches science. So it is teach is also ending with ch. So this is the important thing you should remember.